Today we're playing Speedrun 4, and it's the first year anniversary, and we're back with a regular. Yeah, I'm very grateful. I can't believe because you're probably the one that breaks this video. Anyway, Lucas G, he gave me a shout. He's one of my friends. No. Yeah, guys, we're having really good fun. So microphone and this not working very well, so we might end the video just for a minute. It hasn't stopped working now, but yeah. I'm on level 4, guys. Let's do this loud. So yeah, we're on level 4. I'm a pro at Speedrun 4, guys. I don't know levels. Oh my god! 1 minute. What's wrong? What level? 10. 2. Oh my god, this guy's such a noob. Yeah. That's why. Cool. This looks like a cool place. What do you think? Yes. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool. Cool. Oh my god, Mark.